Americana is very crucial, I think, as a foundational piece of interior design in the United States. The idea of producing something special and unique in a showcase, her Visions of America, was really enticing for me. I'm Corey Damen Jenkins. I'm the principal here at Corey Damen Jenkins and associates here in New York City, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be partnering with Sotheby's an exciting new interior design showcase in January 2024. In producing this concept for Sotheby's, my goal was to create a beautiful showcase that celebrates the intersectionality of modernity and antiquity and make it hip and fresh and sexy and, of course, gorgeous. We decided to create a New York pied-à-terre, this fashion-forward apartment space compartmentalized into a living room, dining space, and a principal bedroom. When developing our concept for Visions of America, we wanted to make sure that we showed the Sotheby's audience the very best of what's possible with these beautiful auction pieces in a contemporary setting. So you'll see here in the sketch behind me, our hero sketch. This is where I kind of started with the design, and we gave first and foremost the primary focus on the Sotheby's Visions of America collection items. So you'll see them here really kind of carrying the space in various ways. The artwork, for example, is all from the auction collection, which is very important to bring the concept together with all the colors that we're going to be entertaining in this space. Touches of tangerine orange, mint green, olive, cream, black, and a little bit of gold and brass, and then make it all come together in a really fresh interior palette. We try our best to bring in some architectural elements with the moldings, and of course we kept the walls nice and crisp and bright with this lovely mayonnaise paint color by Benjamin Moore. We have such a deep respect for the Sotheby's brand, and we wanted to make sure that we really came at it with like 2,000% of our firm's weight in producing something that we believe will be pretty over the top, but also, again, relatable. You are greeted by a maximalist interior design concept. It's grounded by this very large rug, which is a bit of a geometric pattern. There's an underlayment there. And then on your left, you have these slipper chairs upholstered in a beautiful tangerine orange velvet, piped in navy blue linen. And a modern table there is a centerpiece. We can't forget the chintz, so the sofa definitely is a wow factor, upholstered in a lovely floral pattern, and then flanked by some very traditional tables. Next, you enter into the principal bedroom space. It's decidedly darker, sexier, moodier, much more dramatic. The room itself is completely gift-wrapped in a dramatic, hand-painted mural, courtesy of Pixel. The mural really carries the room and provides this stark contrast to the beautiful antiquity and the silhouettes of the pieces in the Sotheby's auction. Our clients love provenance. They love the idea of historicity. They love the idea of something having a story. Really, the best interior designs, in my opinion, are that celebration of antiquity and modernity. There's nothing really to talk about if everything in the room is brand new. Bringing in Americana and celebrating what has made this country so successful in so many ways, especially as it pertains to fashion and interior design, is a remarkable way to celebrate the beauty of the human mind and what we can create with our minds as it pertains to interiors. I invite you to please check out our exhibition at Sotheby's from January 12th to 19th in 2024. See you there.